are here at 10:08:05. Just picked this property back up from the tenants, and I started working away at it and thought I should take a before video before we get too far along here. So the floors are actually okay. We're going to leave the floors. I'm going to repaint. Got to find a home for these guys. I left the fishies behind. It's not bad. Not bad at all. New light fixture there. Not going to do windows. Windows are fine. We are going to paint though. Get those bars off the window. Those don't look very nice. Okay. Check out the kitchen. Going to paint the cabinets, add appliances, obviously. Okay. I'm going to tile in the wet area here. Washer dryer. Here's our garage space. Garage not bad. Need to tape and float. Some little patching here. Water heater's okay. We're going to leave that. Need to get a garage door opener installed. That'll be nice. No power. I got to get the power turned back on. So that should be later today. Heck, it might even click on while we're taking this video. Okay, no major drywall damage. A lot of little holes, but nothing that can't be fixed. Okay, this flooring we are changing out. We're going to change out the carpets. I mean, it's possible if they're salvageable, but you know, if you're going to do everything else, why not do this? And we're also going to take the bars off the windows here. And I just reminded myself I gotta call a landscaper to get the... This might be kind of hard to see in the dark, but we're going to tile here. We're going to reuse the vanity, paint it, then we're going to do granite, new sink. And then I think we're either going to frame in that mirror or get rid of it and just do new mirrors. Update the fixtures and everything like that. Tub, not bad. This one's actually not too bad. The other one is pretty bad, so we may need to regrout. This one probably just needs to be cleaned up. Master bathroom. Okay, again, bars on the windows. New carpet. We're going to use that vanity, granite, sink, probably a new mirror, updated fixtures. And this one we'll probably have to regrout. It's not bad. Could be worse. Could be having to bust out the whole thing. So, all in all, not bad. Actually, I'm pretty happy with the way they left it. I've definitely seen worse, so pretty clean unit, and we'll get it turned around and get it rocking and rolling.